Wow, guys, look at this amazing Winlator, the new release 10.1 update. It was released yesterday, and I was okay. Let me just test the Winlator on my phone. Don't forget, this is a 8 Gen 2 device, very old. So I wonder what the FPS will be on a 8 Elite. At least on a 8 Elite phone, will be crossing over 100 FPS, guys. This is an emulator, though. Look at what is happening here, guys. You can see, look at it, guys. I was very astonished when I see this setup, when I see the improvements these guys have been. I was not even expecting this at all. I was like, okay, because before, when I used to test this emulator, I always get like 25 FPS in this area, but this is a big improvement, guys. Ever since these guys have been doing this, since I have just given up that this is how it's going to run. Imagine on an 8 Gen 2 device, I'm running GTA even with all this. In fact, if you look at my settings, I'm putting everything to high, and it's running like this, guys. Look at it. Look at what is happening. Can you see, guys? In fact, even in this dense area, we are running GTA around 51, 58. In fact, though it's not stable, but at least we are more than 40 FPS, guys. So if you have not been following this channel, I'll be posting the latest development about this Winlator 10.1. So I'll be posting the games. I'll be testing games these days. So let me just show you the settings that I used. If you look at it, I'm using the current Winlator 10.1. So from this page, so let's see how we are going to install it. From this place, just click on their Winlator page. So that's winlator.org. So from there, you go to their download page. From here, you see the latest build. So this is which is Winlator 10.1, guys. So just head on to download the file. The file is there. Just go to the commit and the release page. So you download it. So after you download it, you install it. You create a folder, which is your main container. I know you already know this, but just for me to just brush it. So you come to this, you put 0.0.34, and you pick a performance mode, and from there you click on your three buttons, and you select the tonic Adreno. So the default settings is not on turnip, so you put on this this version 12.1.0, and you enable the sync frame. So you can see it is very simple and straightforward. So from there, you go to the aggressive stop service. So this is it, guys. You can follow it. So guys, if you have not been subscribing to my channel, this is able, so you can subscribe to my channel. So in subsequent videos, I'll be dropping the latest release. I'll be testing out games, guys. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you need any help, you can head on to my YouTube page, and I'm going to answer you. So let's check it. Let's open the GTA 5 and see what is happening here. So I was very surprised when I'm running my GTA 5 with almost with above 60 FPS, guys. So it will not start with 30, it will start with 30 FPS. So this is it. But what I just did is just for me to just enable my device, which is I just place it to rise mode. So immediately when I put it on rise mode, the FPS jump above 60 FPS. So that's not all again. So let's just skip this page. So guys, that is it.
Your son,
you can
James.
begin your game as usual. So I'm able again. So thanks for watching. It's your
hey. My bitch will choke you out with strong thighs, strong features in the face from hey, watch out!
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Please, homie.
Don't you dare even
to the left, to the left.
Yeah, cool, homie. Shit! Hey, open up, homie. Give me some room.
You want room? Go lose some weight with your fat ass.
Get off the road!
ass, boy.
If you wanna chunk them things.
And then he tore up the rap scene. Who could I be talking about? Of course it's Trouble, man. Let's get into it every day.
I'm a bachelor, bitch, so don't get too attached to this. We ballin' on these haters and these niggas missing practices.
You ain't even testing me.
Hey, screw you too, homie.
Bitch, we back to back, no matter.
Yeah, and I'm going hit down.
I'ma take.
What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass. It don't make no fucking sense.
After hoes get over me, all about that action, no flexion, niggas blasting for talking.
Man, I'm sorry, fool.
Shit in these haters' faces, I get money like every day. I'm drinking on that mean perk. Blaze make the street hurt. Make a bitch dance till her feet hurt. Brick squad and duct tape. Increasing the murder rate. Everybody know that we got cheap rolls.
And they got cheap perk. Fish meat and the beans, not mean, but you gotta knock on the screen first. Then let the door swing. Choppers all these seen first. So supposed to with a beam. Knock you out that screen first.
Yeah, I told them rest with me like every day. I might leave a trail on this mail player. Ballers got my true religion look like thigh pads. And my crew hands on like an iPad.
Ready to touch it in every position. Like you're unlocking.
Man, sorry about that.
Up to me too quickly. Get the unlocking no door. Get the cocking back them foes. His head was seen no more.
That was your fault.
So was locked, ready to